Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I just recently started this YouTube channel, so do me a huge favor. Drop a like, please, and hit that subscribe button. Trying to get some sense out there and help people, really help people instead of dumping on their heads like some of the other ones have. There's a little bit of proof out there that has been done, okay? So just an FYI, Hey, I'm not going to bring any names up. Here we go, Gareth Soloway. This guy has a little bit of sense. You see that? What does he say? A DXY reversing pop. What have I been saying for 30 days or more or less, right? The DXY is peaking out, okay? I do have the dollar into huge resistance. This should be the peak CPI print with oil, copper, nickel, lumber collapsing in the last few weeks. You see his hashtag peak inflation. I made a response. Sensible people coming out. Inflation peaked 30 days ago. In my opinion, data suggests that. Peak inflation. I didn't know that that was a hashtag. I'm going to throw that in there too. I guess I should have done that before. Here's the guy, data for the win. Thoughts on what that means for BTC. Should be bullish if dollar has topped. Okay. What have I been saying? What have I been saying? This is what he's talking about, guys. For those that don't know, let me go out to the weekly chart, give you more of a view of this. This is the DXY right here, guys. The DXY, this is a third wave, okay? It swung back around to make a fifth wave right here, okay? Peak and a peak. Now, let's just use a little bit of sense. I'm going to use a little bit of sense with you guys, okay? With not even having to really even understand charts at all, okay? Let's just say that we don't understand charts. And here is the DXY, okay? Let's pretend this is a cryptocurrency. What would you be doing with that cryptocurrency right now? Would you be buying it or would you be selling it? It's a loaded question. We all know what should be going on. Is there one more? Is there one more? More than likely. There's probably, looks like there could be one more right here. 1, 2, that's probably a third, down for a fourth, and then one more slide back up like that. And that will peak it out. You see the divergence right there, guys? All right, so that's the DXY. Things are starting to look up. We have one catalyst down. It is the CPI print. Boom, over with. And next one up is going to be the Fed raising interest rates 50%, 75% basis points. And the media is going to lose it. And they're going to go, oh my gosh, we are in a 2008 crash. And then you know what's going to happen? Bitcoin's going to form a bottom and boom, it's going to go up, start going up. And they're going to go like, what? What do you mean Bitcoin's going up? That's not going according to our plan. So let's see here, guys. I have this Ethereum. I'm going over Ethereum today, by the way. The Ethereum Cryptocurrency. The second biggest cryptocurrency in the crypto market is Ethereum. And it's a very popular coin. And I don't think it's going to be going anywhere. It's too much of a network effect of throughout the whole cryptocurrency, cryptoverse, guys. There's too much of a network effect. So it would take a lot to really, you know, put this Ethereum in a bad spot, in my opinion. So here's the deal. I'm going to go over a pattern with you guys. This is the 3-day chart. And up here, the people that are down here calling for $200 or $100 Ethereum, or we're going to a 2008 style crash and hyperinflation. These same people that were here, that are here right now, they're here right here. If they're still here, most of them are gone. Those that were up here, what were they saying? Oh, not Bitcoin. Oh, Ethereum's going to 9,000. Ethereum's going to 9,000, guys. This is your last chance. Get in so you don't miss the ride all the way up there. And look at it. Boom. Look at it. Okay. What happened? A big disappointment, wasn't it? Big disappointment. I think, where's that wick? It might somewhere in there. Okay. 83. All right. I'm going to try to continue this. I just had a computer glitch. But here's what Ethereum was going down. Let's say, what was that? 890. Okay. About 80% more or less, right? And now they're down here calling for this crash down to here. After it's crashed, guys, do you see the pattern that's going on here? Okay. You know, you could go back. I wish we could go have Back to the Future and we could go right in over here like this. They're doing the same thing over here. You know, last chance, and then boom, right? And it's over here. Oh, or, you know, what crash was this? This is some sort of other crash they were coming up with. And then look at that. Okay. You know, you just want to like not even pay attention to the other, you know, people that are out there, man. It's another reason, like, I post on Twitter, but I don't pay attention much to Twitter. I kind of keep my tabs a little bit on the news media, but not really, guys. That's one thing. It's just this information pollutes the mind, and you can't have a good, solid analysis with it. Even analysis, or not, but even analysts in the market, they're so wrapped up into the media themselves that their analysis is no good too. I've seen that. So, you know, it's a hard thing to do. Don't get me wrong. It's not easy to do. It can be difficult to do, but you know, that's what I'm for. I'm for you to present this information for you guys. Okay. That's what I'm going to do for you. So here we go. Here's Ethereum. What is going on with this coin? And let's take a look at this. Okay. You see Ethereum has a bigger wave 1-2 up here, 1-2. You know, so there could be multiple sequences in there, but you see this top on Ethereum, if you check that out, you know, it didn't break it. Technically, this could be the second wave. Technically, Ethereum may have already made a second wave, guys. Like 1-2. We'll have to see how this plays out. That actually would be good for Ethereum, in my opinion, because it would be, let's say this is the move Ethereum's making, guys, like this. Let's go with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And then you have another one up here, 1, 2, 3. This would be the 4 right here. And then it's coming down for 5. That actually would look really good. Just like that. Yeah, that's how they look. That's how they look, just like this. They have big fourth waves. In the last video, I explained that. What happens is the third wave comes down with so much momentum like that, right? Boom. And then what happens? It blasts it up onto a fourth wave. That's why the fourth waves get so big in downtrends. That's why they get so big. So here we go. Let's check this out. Let's see. Perhaps this is a third wave starting now. It would make sense to me, right? Let's say it is a third wave extension. Or a third wave in the making right now. Could be, guys. Let's see here. That would be your second wave. Second wave, if this is anything, it would be a second wave. That second wave retrace that amount. So look, here's Ethereum right here, 845. This would be the move. This would be the move, guys. Like here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then say 5, like that. Okay? And then this would be the overall move. More or less. It's just an estimate, guys. You know, my crystal ball is often wrong. So check this out. We go like this. This would be the move. Okay, it's already right here, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5, like that. Or maybe Ethereum makes a diagonal. You know, maybe it comes down in this 3 and the fourth. If that fourth gets in the price area that way 1, it can make a diagonal like that. You just don't know yet. And that would make sense because it takes, these diagonals usually are slow, you know, it just drags down there and then it stays in the fourth wave for like a week and then it finally wits down there and everybody's trying to figure out what's going on with Ethereum. You know, is it going to go up or is it going to go down? So that's what I think. That's what I think. This area, guys, is my initial target. I do have a bigger box target, you know, right, 893 down as low as 606. And then this other box target right here of just generally speaking, you know, just say 700 or something like that. Okay, guys, on Ethereum. And then if you take a look at the overall picture, let's go out to a 3-day chart on Ethereum. Check it out. What would that look like? It would look pretty good to me, guys. See, let me clean that up for you. Would look real good to me. I think so. There you go. 1, 2, 3, let's say 4, and then 5. Something like that. That's reasonable. That's a reasonable expectation right here. Okay, so like, can Ethereum make a move like that? Let's see, 800%, 8x, pretty good move right there. All right, guys, that's the end of my video on Ethereum. Just wanted to go over that, present the information on it. You know, I mean, look, at the end of the day, Ethereum is just going to follow whatever Bitcoin does. You know, if Bitcoin goes down, Ethereum's going to go down. Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum's going to go up. I have price target, you know, maybe down to 700 or something like that. Either way, I think Ethereum's coming up to complete a correction. And the reason why I say that is if you go out to the weekly chart, you take a look at this RSI, I'm going to blow it open for you. Check that out. You see how low that is, guys? Ethereum has almost taken out since the beginning of its original cycle, way down there, okay? And that is undeniably a reason to start expecting a bounce at the minimum, guys, a bounce, okay? It's going to bounce some point at somewhere in there. And if you take the brush, so like right down here, it's going to need to do some sort of bounce to bring it back down, just like that. You see that bounce right there? Right there, you see? Boom. Here's another one. Boom. And it's going to have to do something like that if they want to continue to go down. Reasonable expectation, expect a bounce on Ethereum. Ethereum could bounce pretty good. You get a 2x out of it, probably. All right, that's the end of it, guys. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.